Is it time?
Morning, Sergeant Grumbles!
They say it's gonna be the best snow of the season.
It's starting! Blaze! It's really coming down now!
Don't worry, a little snow never hurt anyone.
I need every plow we have down here now. This isn't a flurry, it's a whiteout! Ugh.
I can't get warm, Blaze!
What in the...
What was that sound?
Just the storm! Sparks! Just the storm!
Push it back! We have to clear a path to the power station!
The fuel lines are frozen. We're stuck.
We're...
Sparks? Sparks! Stay with me! Keep your eyes open!
It's sold!
No. Oh, yeah. Not like this.
Blaze?
Hold on, Sparks. By the...
Get everyone inside. Stay away from the windows.
We can't get through!
We're not going through it, we're going over.
Blaze, the intakes! It needs to breathe! If you overheat the air around it!
Let's turn up the heat!
Yes! It's working! Keep it up, Blaze!
I knew you could do it, Blaze.
I couldn't have done it without you, Sparks.